Another day without your smile. Another day just passes by. But now I know how much it means for you to stay right here with me.
Dijoloni malim, dijoloni akasaksi, dijoloni sudah hamu napungu dison. Au siar no libong, maka cengjokon sian rohanayas tulus jala bulus. Iya si Meliana si Barani na dison noeng. Olat ni sonari nungga gawe dong aku saripe. Ang merjanji huhut merpadan ikon burju au tuibana. Diti kilas ni roha, dohot arsak ni roha. Totong waholongi jala upasanga bibana saliling amu mangulu. Songonima perjanjian do perpadanan kepada di bagasan guarni di bata marhite buku nabadia.
I wanna grow old with you.
1,000 miles between us now. It causes me to wonder how I love tonight.
Dijoloni malim, dijoloni akasaksi, do dijoloni sudihamu napungu dison. Au Meliana si Barani hajon jokos yeroan yayas tulus jala bulus. Iya si Arnold limbong na dison nuain olak ni sadarian nunga gabe dong aku saripe. Au marjaji uhud merpadan koburju au tuibana ditikilas ni roha dohot arsak ni roha. Totong waholongi jala pasangat ibana saliling au mangulu. Sonima perjanjian doho perpadananon upadato di bagasan guarni debata marhite buku nabadi.
I wanna die lying in your arms.
I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. Things can come and go, I know, but baby, I believe something's burning strong between us, makes it clear to me. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you. Dua holong nunga sadar, holong mi nang holoki. Dua roha nunga dohu di padong Tuhani.
Bahe mana sida marlas nirohan matnida anak dot akapahopku satu nasar matua dalam jabar dia raja musuh do Yesus Kristus Tuhan nami nama ngol dalam mangarajain wain do kotong saat rodi saleleng ni lelengna amin.
Kurang berita bersiram, sadelan di tanah.
Selamat untuk adik kami sama alay kami untuk menempuh hidup keluarga yang baru. Semoga keluarga yang berbahagia, semoga keluarga yang takut akan Tuhan, dan semoga keluarga yang dikarunia Tuhan diberkati. Dan kami buat abang-abangnya adik-adiknya mengucapkan selamat
Happy wedding.
happy wedding.
Selamat.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart